Okay, folks, section 2.1, the order of operations. Operations are adding signs, subtraction signs, multiplication signs, division signs, exponents, and parentheses. Okay? And we always do them in a certain order. Okay? So you're writing this information down right now. I have this little saying. I don't have it. Everybody has it. It's been said since the dawn of time. On the 8th day, God decided PEMDAS is the order in which we would do the math. Okay? And I have a little sentence, or people have a little sentence that they've used forever and ever. I don't know what Aunt Sally did, but whatever she did, we need to excuse her for it. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay? Now, they stand for the order of the operations. The first thing we do, please, is a P, parentheses. We always do parentheses first. Okay? So please write down parentheses. You can write it in a column. You're going to write it just like this, parentheses. What's the next thing that we do, David? After we deal with everything in parentheses?
Multiplication.
Not multiplication yet.
Exponents.
Exponents, right? That's the excuse part of the sentence. E, exponents. Parentheses, then exponents. Now the next two things, my dear, right? Multiplication and division. We do those from left to right, whichever shows up first. Okay? So multiplication and division, we do whichever one comes up first. And then addition and subtraction, Aunt Sally, the same thing, whichever one comes up first. If subtraction comes up first, we subtract. Then we add. If addition comes up first, we add, then we subtract. Okay? Now let's look at this first thing. Okay? Example number 1 says evaluate. Oh, I'm sorry. Hang on. Don't panic. Don't panic. Evaluate. This word in math means two things. Number 1, plug in. I don't need a hyphen between them. Okay? Plug in. Number 2, simplify. You know what simplify means? It means add or subtract or multiply if you can. Make the numbers combine as many numbers as you can so that you have as few things as possible. That's what simplify means. Okay? So, Hannah, part A right here says m equals 1. Evaluate this expression when m equals 1. So watch what we do. Are you ready? We're going to say 15 plus parentheses 3, and I don't use that x for multiplication. I usually put a little asterisk there because an x looks like a variable. We're not going to really use that much anymore. The book might sometimes, but we're going to put an asterisk. 3 times what? I'm not going to write m there. What am I going to write there, Aiden?
3 times
1, because that's in this problem they said let m equal 1. Beautiful. All right. What do I do first, Allie? Should I add 15 and 3?
No.
I'm going to do what's in the parentheses first. And what's in the parentheses, Allie? 3 times 1. So now I'm going to get 15 plus, what is 3 times 1, Allie? 3. And I'm going to write it just like that. Moreau, what do I do next? Are there any exponents? No. Okay, what do I do after that, Moreau? Or division. Do I have any multiplication or division? No. What do I do next? Addition or subtraction. Do I have any addition and subtraction? What do I have? And so 15 plus 3 gives me what? 18. Now guys, I'm not going to finish this before the video goes off. We're going to pick up in the next one, okay?